Are you struggling with leg lifts and not getting the results that you want? Today I'm going to show you the proper and improper form for doing leg lifts. First of all, leg lifts is when you lift your legs up, contracting your abs. So abs kind of like these right here. What we're going to do is, I'm going to show the improper form, what I see people doing normally at the gym. They'll come down and they'll lift their legs all the way up and all the way down. Here, you're mostly working your hip flexors and just your legs, kind of indirectly your abs or your stomach. What's the purpose of leg lifts? Leg lifts is to work the core. You want to put all the focus on that. The proper way is, if you're starting out, put your hands underneath your glutes, and you don't want to go all the way down and you don't want to go all the way up. Meaning, you want your back to stay flat against the mat the whole time. Here's the proper way. Up, down, up, down. As you can see, my back is not coming off the floor. But if I go all the way down, it puts an arch in my back. If you're struggling with doing leg lifts and you need help with the proper form, comment below leg lifts and I'll see if I can help you out. How you mama?